If you are just starting your investment journey, the sheer number of products available can feel overwhelming. Let's simplify the basics. At the core of every investment are assets. These are products you buy with the hope they will grow or provide income over time. Trillions of dollars move through these markets every day, but for a beginner, it really comes down to a few core categories. Most portfolios are built using a mix of stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, or ETF, which bundle many assets into one trade. Stocks represent ownership, which usually carries more risk and reward. Bonds are loans, generally favored for stability and predictable income. As you can see, higher potential returns usually require accepting higher risk. This is the fundamental trade-off every investor manages. That famous quote reminds us that many investors prefer buying broad index funds rather than trying to pick individual winning companies. Understanding these basics is your first step. Keep learning, stay consistent, and subscribe for more money basics. See you next time.